We're gonna make a video, okay?
Okay.
Hello, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
I'm, what do you call it? Got a helper here. I need to make a roller ring like this because my mother-in-law's barbecue thing has a little ring thing like this. So I'm gonna basically put a piece of, I think it's 1-inch flat bar through the ring roller, and I'm gonna roll it through, and then I'm gonna weld it together and show you making. Want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, move over now. Move over. You gotta move this way. So basically, I'm taking a piece of flat bar like this, and I'm running it through here. I'm going to roll this thing back and forth into a circle. See? See that, Claire? Okay. Now I'm going to tighten it down, and we're going to roll it. You want to turn it?
Yeah.
Anyway, I put a little pressure on it. There we go. We should move this out of the way here. There we go. Can you turn? With the magnet, so you don't hit it. Here, I'll do the top one. I'll do this way, you do down, okay? Hold on. Turn it more. There we go. Ooh, lift it up. Got it. There we go. See, it's tilting.
Yeah.
Oh, move the drill out of the way. Let me get this out of the way. Watch it. Put the drill over there somewhere. There we go.
I put it on the floor.
Awesome. See, we're going to go all the way this way. There we go. Keep going. Keep going.
Until all the pressure goes away.
Until it goes all crooked that way. See? All straight that way. We're going to keep going. See, it's bending upward?
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. Now, when it gets all the way to the end, we're going to put more pressure on it, and we're going to bend it back the other way. See? Yeah. Hold the handle here. There we go. Oh, careful.
I'll do it myself.
Hold on, I'm going to wait.
More pressure?
Stop now. No, we're going to do it the other way. Wait, hold on. Let me do it for a second. Let me get to the end here. Like this. See? Now. It's okay. Now turn it. It's going to get a little tight. Let me help you. Okay. Here you go. There you go. I'll pull it up this way. You pull it down. All right. Gotta do this a couple more times. And there we go. See? Oh, see it getting around now over here on my end. Look.
Yeah.
Look on this end. Come on, push. You're gonna make a circle soon. Watch. Look at it. It's going circling. Circly. Is that even a word? There we go. Keep going. A little more to go. It's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. Yeah. Let me do it. Okay, move. Back up a little. Okay. Okay. Doesn't do perfect, but it does a pretty good job. See, when we get to here.
It's all done.
Nope, not done yet. Wait. We gotta. Don't turn it anymore. I tighten it a little more.
Other way?
No, we gotta go. Hold on. Move your hand. Now go back this way. Ouch. Got my finger stuck in there. We'll both do it, okay? Rolling. Rolling with the homies. See? We're both on camera doing this. There we go. Whee! Oh, this side's a little bent here.
Tilted.
See? It's going in a circle. Keep going. You quit on me? There we go. It's not easy. Here, using my hands. Okay. There we go. Now, let's see. Wait, let's get a tape measure. Now what you do, when We need 22.5 inches this way. See?
22.
Yeah, it's around 24, but we could squeeze it around like that. See? There we go. See? Now watch this. Take it out. There we go. Let me turn this off so we can adjust it. Turn the camera off here. Thanks for watching. I'll show you next portion. Hello YouTube. What I did now is I cut the end off. I'm going to tack weld both sides together and roll it. See how it comes out. My daughter's up there doing whatever, so I need to measure this again. Just to make extra sure. Yep, that one's 22 and this one is 23, so it should be good. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. Turn this off again. Hello YouTube, it's me again. What I did is I tack welded it, still hot, and then I ground down the weld. If you look at it, I just ground it down so I could run it back to the bead welder, well, not bead welder, seam sealer. You can see it's, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it back to the roller, just keep rolling in a circle, and you end up with a nice big ring, so that this thing right here, see this, it's a barbecue cover. Next, I'll make the loop that goes over the top. I'll remake this ring, and we'll be done. So yeah, a little bit of work for one night. All right, Kaya? Cool, huh? Say bye.
Bye.
There you go.